Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing, setup, and review of the Marycele Candle Warmer Lamp, which is this lamp right here. This is a product that I received from the company to review. And the reason why I reached out to this company was I had a prior essential oil warmer that actually broke. And I looked at different options online and came across these candle warmers that I thought would be a good alternative as it combines as a lamp as well as an essential oil or candle warmer. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll take this out of the box, set it up, show you what it looks like, then I'll walk through putting a candle on it and we'll get a general sense of how it performs. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links in the description below. Okay, so this is the Marycele Candle Warmer Lamp. You can currently get this on Amazon for about $30. Definitely check out the link below if you're interested in purchasing this. They've got a wide variety of options as far as the lampshade design, whether it's transparent or clear, the metal as far as the overall lamp, as well as different colors for the base. So I think it was like 14, 15 different options, which I won't go into, but it's just check it out if you're interested in looking at different design options. But we'll get this open and take a look at what comes in the box. As far as the inserts here, it's really just a card providing support through the company if you want to reach out directly. There's an instruction manual for how to put this together, but it's really simple. It's just really putting the lamp inside, or the bulb inside the lamp. And then here's the actual lamp. So immediately out of the packaging, it comes already put together, so you don't have to install it or assemble it in any way, which is nice because you don't have to screw anything together. And then this is what it actually looks like. All right. And then in this package here, I believe they have two separate bulbs. So that's what these inserts in the styrofoam are. And these are what the bulbs look like. And so they're kind of like halogen, kind of like bulbs, and they actually insert directly in. So I'm going to insert that real quick just so we have this all set up. But I believe you just insert it directly in here. One sec. It's like a weird angle. And then you twist. Yeah, so you basically insert it so the knobs are directly into the lamp shade, and then you just twist it and it'll secure it into place. And this is what the lamp actually looks like. So it's got a transparent lampshade here that is glass. It's a sturdy glass material. Then this is I wouldn't describe it as gold, but it's like a rose gold kind of color here. With this holder for the lampshade. And then on the bottom here is the wood base. And so there's an area where you can insert a candle directly onto here. It says Marycele with this elegant floral design. And then this is just a kind of like a solid wood block as far as the base, which is pretty nice. And then on the bottom here, they do have a like a non-slip surface. It's kind of like a foam material so that when you put this down, it doesn't slide. So that's a nice feature as well. And then on the knob here, I'll show you. Let me just get this undone, is the actual control for this. We'll walk through it in a second, but basically there will be an on-off switch. There's going to be a dimmer where it's like, I believe 10, they have it on the Amazon website, but they have it so that you can go 10% light, 30% light, 70% light, or 100% light. And then they also have toggle switches in here that allow you to cycle through 8 hours on, 4 hours on, or 2 hours on. And then they've got this description of this non-gearing brightening versus 4-gear dimming. I'm not entirely sure what that means, but basically if you press and hold this for a period of time or a short press, it cycles through that, but we'll have to check what that exactly means. But that's it as far as the actual packaging. What I'm going to do is just plug this in, set up a candle, and then we'll just look at how this functions from when you actually turn on. Okay, so we're going to use just a standard candle from Whole Foods. We're going to throw this under here as far as an example, but this is just your normal size candle. Fits really well in the base, doesn't slide around, and that's definitely has more space for larger candles, like the larger Yankee candles, I think. The only thing is you do have to be cognizant of the height here, so if you have a taller candle, it might not fit directly underneath this. But overall, it looks pretty good from that standpoint. Now we'll toggle through the different switches here. So this is just the on switch. So when you turn it on, this is what the light looks like. with it actually on. It does illuminate the candle really well, brightens it up and actually illuminates it so you can actually see directly into the candle, which is pretty cool. And then there is a warming aspect of this bulb. So if you put your hand underneath here, it's definitely warmer. You can feel heat all the way down to about here actually at the base. So this will warm up candles over time, release their fragrance from that standpoint, so you don't necessarily have to burn it, which is good for, say, if you have children or if you just don't want to go through burning candles and making them last longer. Now we'll toggle through the different switches. So on the top here, it actually has a clock. You won't be able to see it on camera really well, but there's a switch here that when you cycle through it, on the top right, there's actually an indicator that shows it's 2 hours long. And then if you press it again, it goes to 4 hours. And then this one goes to 8 hours. And then I believe if you hit it again, it just turns on continuously. So that's nice that there's a timer, so you don't always have to keep this on, which is good if you have essential oils. So I have an essential oil holder that I was probably going to use that, where just put the essential oil underneath here with candle wax or essential oil, and it'll warm that up and it won't kind of dry it out over time. As far as the other features, as far as the dimmer, we'll cycle through here. So let's just turn it off, and then yeah, so we'll turn it on, and then yeah, here. So the minus button will cycle through going lowest. So this is the lowest setting, okay? This is the one up, all right? This is the next one, and then this is the next one, I believe. And so there's 4 different cycles. So this is the highest one, the next lowest one, one after that, and that. So there's 4 separate ones, which is a nice feature as well. It's middle of the day, but what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to try to shut off the lights, close the blinds, so you can get a sense of how well this illuminates with kind of a darker setting. Okay, so this is the darkest I can do in this room at this time, but there's still some light coming in from the outside through the shade. But what we'll do is we'll turn this on at the brightest setting, which is the automatic setting it starts with. So that's what this looks like. So it illuminates really well. Acts very similar to a table lamp if you need it in a room like that. Also additionally acts as a warmer, so it'll warm up essential oils or a candle. And then we'll toggle through the different lights. So this is the next lowest light. Sorry, my camera might have trouble focusing here. So that's it for this lamp. So basically, I like the overall design. It's got a nice glass shade, nice metal handle here, and then the wood base is really nice from the standpoint that it is like a solid block of wood. There's the candle sits very well here, so you can double this up as a candle holder or essential oil holder as well. The one thing is you do have to worry about the height here, so if it's a little bit too tall, 1, it might not look good, but 2, it might not fit. But for $30, this is a really good option. Definitely check out the other ones that they have. They've got a wide variety of shapes and designs, as far as round ones, more elegant designs. Something that's really anybody can find a good option for. But that's all I have for this video, so thanks for watching. This is the Marycele Candle Warmer Lamp. I'm definitely going to try it out with my essential oils. Start using this in place of my old one that broke. But it's only $30 on Amazon, which is a great affordable price if you're interested in this as a side table lamp or a candle warmer.